Hi folks, it's Matt here from PSP. Today I'm here to show you how to make a Mistletoe Ombré wrapped Christmas star. This project is intended for ages 4+ and will make a great addition to your Christmas tree or holiday decorations.
Okay, let's get started. For this craft you will need scissors, glue, popsicle sticks, yarn, and pony beads if you want to add a little extra to your craft. I'm using the Mistletoe Ombré colored yarn, but you can use any yarn and it will work. Once your star is dried, wrap your star with the yarn in different directions until it looks how you'd like. Cover it with as much as you want or as little as you want. Once you get near the end, add the pony beads to your string. Cut your string. Don't forget to ask Mom and Dad for help using scissors. And then add some pony beads to it and wrap around. Wrap the rest of your string and then glue it to itself. Let your glue dry. Now that my star is done, I'm going to put it on my tree. Check out more information on our holiday activities by searching PSP on Facebook.